good job, but the stitching isn't the best. I'm still learning, but I think it's a great learning curve because I understand what I did wrong now. Did it the wrong way round. Oh my god, okay, so I see now. So the cleaner stitches are here, and then at the back obviously it's going to be a bit different. So I guess the mask is going to be this way now. But yeah, so like even with this kind of part, look at that. So this part here, I think a lot of it was the fabric actually. I didn't cut the fabric properly. But it's quite tedious trying to stitch the elastic to this. But I tell you what, it does the job and it's pretty cool. You know, I'm not looking to sell them or anything, it's just for myself. And look at that, I go straight through the nose. I can even feed through like a little metal bar here just to kind of clamp on my nose, but covers my face. Yeah, pretty good.